Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing my purchase that I made from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. Yay! As she said, it took 84 years in the making. Just kidding. But she finally came out with her own cosmetic line. And the first thing that she came out with is 20 nude lipsticks. Now, of course, I did not purchase all 20. I'm a stay-at-home mom and mama's got a lot of bills, but I could not resist picking up some. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the swatches, my first impressions, and talk about the formulation. So if you're interested, let's get started. I initially was going to buy the trio set, but by the time I got on the website, it was already sold out. Wow. And the ones that I was wanting were also sold out. So I went with the two colors that piqued my interest. The outer packaging is really pretty. It's white and it has this little texture on it. To be honest, I'm not one to go crazy over like the outer packaging because it always ends up in the trash. I have limited space, so I don't really keep the boxes, but I do really like the way it is packaged. On top over here are the colors. I picked up Amaze Balls and That Girl. Amazeball is described as a buff nude and That Girl is described as sweet peach. I really love brownish and pinky tone nudes, so I was very excited that I picked these two up, one from each color family, just to let you guys know how it sits on my lips. Okay, so now on to the good stuff. Let's take it out. Wow. The component looks like this. It does not feel scratchy. I am not one to die over packaging. I don't know. I just feel like if the product is good, it's good. But this looks luxe. I really do like the little diamond on top and it feels very smooth. And as she described in her video, it is very weighted and it feels luxe. So I gotta give it to her on that. Okay, so let's start off with the Amaze Balls. It is a buff nude, as I have told you before, and this baby looks like this. Sorry, mine's a little sweaty. I live in Arizona, and it's like close to 100 degrees outside, but it's really pretty. I love this type of nude, so I cannot wait to put it on my lips. And That Girl looks like this. That's pretty. And here they are side by side. This one is Amaze Balls and this one is That Girl. This one is more brownie. This one is more peachy pink. I cannot wait to try this on my lips. I did look at the ingredient list and one of the ingredients is castor seed oil, which I believe has a shelf life of 12 months. And it does say on the package that upon opening, it has a shelf life of 12 months. Now, I know a lot of people keep their lipsticks longer than that, and I'm one of those people, but if it starts to smell, out to the trash it goes. Now, let me remove my lipstick so that we can actually see how it looks on the lips. Okay, zoomed you in just a little bit. Now, I'm gonna take my NYX lip liner, and I'm just gonna line just a little bit on the outside, and we will go in with this lipstick. I don't know which one I want to try first. Let's try on That Girl, because That Girl is the one that is kind of calling my name. So wow. Wow. Okay, so as you can tell, I really like the color. It is very peachy, and I don't know, I really do like the more warmer tone peachy pink lipsticks. Now, I will say I own a lot of nudes, and I mean a lot. And this formula is something I don't own. Nothing. I'm speechless. As you can tell here, nothing is settling into my lines. Everything is just sitting perfectly. I really love this formula. When I'm wearing like res or something, I do prefer them to be a more matte so that it doesn't move around. But my nudes, I do love them to give me more life and be creamy. And usually, nothing is ever this creamy. Wow. I can't stop looking at it. Okay, so formulation, A+, definitely. Packaging is A+. I've never put on a creamy formula which doesn't crease into my lines. Wow. Okay, enough with the wows. Let's try on Amazeball. Okay, I just wiped off the lipstick. I don't like to use this phrase, but I'm shook. In this case, I will gladly use this word because, wow. Let's put on Amazeballs, which is a buff nude. This is how she looks on me. Personally, I do like it, but it's a little too nude for me, I feel like. I don't know. The formula, once again, it doesn't settle into my fine lines on my lips, so it is much more forgiving. I don't know if it's me or not, or if I'm just like finding this in my head or whatever, but I felt like that girl was a little bit, just a tad bit more creamier on the lips than Amazeballs. But Amazeballs is something that I would definitely use with a darker lip liner. It's still very pretty, especially if I would do like a darker smoky eye. So I'm definitely liking this color, but that girl is definitely this girl's favorite. I still can't get over the formula. Wow. Okay, so I just spent a good 20 minutes swatching all of my nudes, side comparing and whatnot, and I don't own anything like Amazeballs. And you know what? Now that I'm wearing it for a while, it's growing on me, and as you can see, it has not settled into any fine lines. That's like my biggest pet peeve with lipsticks, is that they look so pretty and then they start to become streaky, or they're too opaque where it looks like I have like crap all over. This isn't like that. It is very comfortable, very moisturizing. Here are my comparisons. This is Amazeballs, and the closest thing that I could find is if two lipsticks, I guess, had a baby. If I mix these two on the lips, they come out to look pretty similar. And this is MAC Honey Love, and this is MAC Aloof. And looking at the comparisons for the That Girl lipstick, I could not find anything in my collection that looked like it. Again, the most similar thing that looked like it was Maybelline Baddest Beige and ColourPop, the Hades collection. But it's just gorgeous. This is the color right here. It's just gorgeous on its own. Okay, you guys, so I had to switch my lip color. I put on That Girl because it's what's drawing me in. To be honest, I've been on the hunt for a perfect peachy nude. And I feel like a lot of companies, they do the pink tone nudes very well, the nude tone, the brown tone beautifully well. But I always have a hard time finding a peach tone. So now that I found one, I'm very excited. And to be honest, you guys, when I was making this initial purchase, I like the packaging, but I was not having a very high expectation of the formula. I thought it was just gonna be another nude that I added to my collection. Granted, I love my nudes, but I did not expect for the formula to be this good and to look this good. I love having opaque lipsticks, but sometimes, like I said, when they're opaque, you can see and it just looks crusty, but then when it's too sheer, it like looks streaky and gets all over. And this is perfection. I did not go into this review thinking I was going to like these, and I did not go in thinking I was gonna want more. But after purchasing these two, I kind of wished that I could get more. Yes, I'm gonna have to save up all my money, but I'm very excited that I picked these up. I highly recommend it, and wow. And that completes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and let me know in the comment section down below if you guys picked it up or if you're interested in picking it up. I want to hear from you guys. Come say hi in the comment section down below, and until next time, bye guys.